We recently had the opportunity to work on the all-new 2022 Challenger Hellcat Red Eye. This is a car that many have been eagerly awaiting for, and we were excited to get our hands on it. Our team first installed a clear BPF paint protection film on the hood. This film provides extra protection from scratches and other damage caused by rocks, debris, and other road hazards. We covered the entire hood with this protective layer so that the owner can enjoy their ride worry-free. Next, we applied Ceramic Pro to the exterior and interior of the car. Ceramic Pro is an advanced paint coating technology that adds an extra layer of protection to your vehicle's paint job while also providing a beautiful shine and glossy finish. The ceramic coating helps to protect against UV rays, oxidation, corrosion, and discoloration, making sure that your vehicle stays looking its best for years to come. Not only does it provide excellent protection, but it also adds durability, allowing your car to better maintain its luster even after cleaning or when exposed to harsh weather conditions.